Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. This is another video on the 2008 Citroen C5, and this is the model that ran from 2004 to 2008, and halfway through 2008 it actually changed to a new model. So what I'm going to be showing you in this video is the locations of all of the information for the car. So that's the VIN numbers, the paint code, the tyre information, and so on and so forth. So first off, we'll start with the VIN number. Now one of the VIN numbers is actually exposed to the outside of the car, which is found just on the left hand side, or the passenger side of the vehicle in this instance, just down in the windscreen. That is the car's VIN number. Now this number is actually replicated throughout the car, so I'll show you some other locations for the VIN. So for instance, let's open up the bonnet by pulling this lever here, come back to the front of the vehicle. We're going to put our hand in just by the Citroen badge, and there's a lever quite far in, and we're just going to push that to the left and then open up the bonnet. So looking around the engine compartment, there's not actually too many identification labels to look at. Just a couple of information down here on the lights, but then if we come over to the right hand side of the vehicle, our VIN number is actually stamped into the wing just there. So most of the information on this car is actually found over the driver's side, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. So just going to open up the door fully, just come down to the front, and then you'll notice these two labels here. Now this is all of your tyre information, and then down here we actually have some other numbers, and then this one at the bottom is actually your colour code for the paintwork. So in this instance it's EZRC, and then it has the star. Just at the back of the door closer as well, you've got your information there on the vehicle, given some weights as well there, and then that again is our VIN number. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.